Hey guys, it's me, Candy. If you're new here, I am a homeschool mom with 5 children. And if you're coming back again, then I want to say thank you for coming back. And I also want to say thank you to my new subscribers because I jumped up to like 109 last night. So thank you guys for subscribing. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would appreciate it. Okay, so this is the status of my house, and plus on top of it I was trying to get about 15 pounds of potatoes washed, cooked, and mashed, and also roast about 9 bulbs of garlic. So as you can see, we worked hard, we played hard all day, and I definitely did not clean. So I need to get busy because it's about 9:30 at night. Also, if you will watch till the end, I will show you the fall decorations that Mika got out of the shed and she put out. I am not a decorator by any means, but she's better at that stuff than me and she really enjoys it. So I will show you the stuff that she put out here in just a little bit. Okay guys, so reality check moment. I am obviously not going to get the books on the shelves or the games organized because it's about 11:30 and I still have a living room, bathroom, and laundry room that look about like this. And I'm tired, so I'm going to finish this up. I mean, you know, other than some toys that need to go upstairs and working on the bookshelves, at least the room is livable and doable now and sanitary, and I can straighten up the bookshelves tomorrow. And here is the stuff that Mika decorated with, and I put out the tablecloth because the table was filthy when she put out the decorations earlier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for coming along with me today to clean my very messy kitchen and dining room. That is some cantaloupe seeds that we are drying out for next year's garden, and those are the bulbs of garlic I'm going to let Mika put in her flower bed. So my oven self-cleaning cycle is done. I scrubbed the wall by the oven, and all these dishes the kids are going to put away tomorrow. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys next time. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button if you guys have not already done so. Bye!